my friends, and happy Friday. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. We are going to dive right on in. Just know the links to all the pages I share are always linked in the YouTube description box below this video. And to give me direct feedback that you do like job leads like this, if you do happen to like this job lead, give this video a thumbs up like button. Don't forget to share with all your friends and family so we can all work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. Today's job lead is from the company Penumbra. They have 324 reviews on Glassdoor from current and past employees with a satisfaction rating of 3.2 out of 5 stars. They're hiring a customer order specialist. Now, this is remote for the United States, but they're basically looking for somebody to be responsible for processing hospital purchase orders received from the US and Canada regions in a timely and accurate manner. Now, these orders are going to come through email and fax. You're going to review hospital purchase orders received through email and fax to ensure all required information has been provided in the purchase orders. You're going to input or data entry those order details into the ERP system. You may have to pick up the phone from time to time or send emails and have communication with customers for revisions of those purchase orders when required. You'll communicate order status and shipping details to customers and sales teams, coordinate with the logistics teams on timely processing and shipping of those orders once they are input into the system, and you'll log metric data for quality purposes into the system as well. No college degree is needed for this position, just a high school diploma or GED, somebody who has great communication skills, and somebody who can work those Microsoft Office computer systems, including Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. You've got to have great attention to detail and the ability to multitask, but that is it. Now, they do desire somebody who has SAP experience, but that is not required. Pay for this position is going to be dependent on location and experience and is anywhere from $21 an hour up to $23 an hour. And of course, they do offer that standard benefit package that includes medical, dental, vision insurance, 401k, and paid time off. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Again, if you enjoyed job leads like this, give me that thumbs up like button. Share with all your friends and family. Always feel free to leave anything specific that you're looking for in the comments. I do read those and keep that in mind. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.